viewers, a hearty welcome to you all to my channel Cook with Sana Kuram. This is Sana. Today I am going to share with you a very simple and yummy potato fry recipe which goes very well with curd rice, sambar, dal and rasam. Let's have a look at the ingredients for this. For the potato fry, take half a kg of potatoes, wash them well and cut into cubes. Drain the excess moisture by using a colander and pat dry them with a kitchen towel. We do this because whenever we fry potatoes, they get stuck at the bottom of the vessel in which we are frying, and also the oil tends to become pale and cloudy. So in order to avoid that, we are doing this. Extra moisture has to be completely removed from the potatoes. Now take a deep bottom and broad vessel and take oil for frying. Don't heat the oil too much. Now add the potatoes and fry them on a medium flame. Fry them until they become light brown in color. Don't over fry them. It should be in light brown in color. Now the potatoes are fried. You can see the color, light brown. Now you can remove them and keep them aside. Now you can see the oil, it's so clean and there's no residue at all. Take another pan and add 30 ml of oil. Here we are not using water at all, we use only oil for this dish. Add half a teaspoon of mustard seeds. Let it splutter. And add half a teaspoon of split urad dal or black gram dal. Add some curry leaves. Add quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder and mix immediately. And as soon as you add the turmeric powder, you must add the puree of one big size tomato. Mix well. Cover it and cook. You should cook until the oil comes on top and the raw smell of the tomatoes goes off. You can do this on a high flame. You can see the oil has come on top. Now you can add the fried potatoes. Mix well. You should not add salt while frying. Now cover it and cook on a slow flame. You should add salt only now. You must do all these on a slow flame. Once you add the potatoes, you must reduce the flame and the entire process should be done only on a slow flame. Mix well. Take another pan and add about 3 tablespoons of oil. Let the oil get heated and add 1 tablespoon of chili powder and quarter teaspoon of fenugreek powder. This is called methi, or in Tamil it is called vendayam. Mix it well and you should pour this immediately into the potatoes. And do this swiftly, because if you do it slowly or if you leave it for a long time, it will turn out black because it will get burnt off. So this has to be done swiftly. We do this because this will increase the flavor of the dish. Now cover it and cook it in a slow flame. Now a simple and yummy potato fry is ready to be served. If you like my video, please hit a like, share and please press the bell icon to subscribe to my channel to view my new video updates. Thank you very much.